Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra cell phone. 512 gigabytes. AI smartphone, unlocked Android. AI camera, fast processor, long battery life. 2025. Brand Samsung. Operating system One UI 7, Android 15. RAM memory installed size 12 gigabytes. CPU model Snapdragon. Memory storage capacity 512 gigabytes. Screen size 6.9 inches. Model name Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Wireless carrier unlocked for all carriers. Cellular technology 5G. Connectivity technology Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, NFC. Multiple tasks with one ask. Streamline your day with an assistant that gets you. Ask it to Google search for a pet-friendly vegan restaurant nearby and text it to your friend. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra handles multiple tasks with a single ask. Why? Start the day smarter. Stay one step ahead with a phone that gives you the info you need before you even know you need it with Now Brief, Squared. Reduce the noise, reveal the magic. AI camera with audio eraser. Lets you capture vibrant videos in low light and minimize unwanted noises, so you can relive your favorite moments with fewer distractions. Cubed. Bring out the best in every face. Capture every portrait with clarity and confidence on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The advanced portrait features adjust skin tones and preserve natural textures, giving every shot a polished, professional look. Switching is quick in EASY with Smart Switch. You can move your pics, videos, music, apps, contacts, and convos to their new home safely and securely in just a few simple steps. Power up and play hard. Push the boundaries of what's possible in mobile gaming thanks to our most powerful processor yet. Play graphic-intensive games with lightning fast responsiveness and top the leaderboard with Galaxy S25 Ultra. A display that came to play. Galaxy S25 Ultra gets your head in the game with lifelike details on an incredible display. Watch the worlds of your favorite games come to life with intricate reflections, realistic shadows, and vivid lighting effects. Your images. Clearer than ever. Your images feel lifelike on the Galaxy S25 Ultra thanks to a brilliant display with ProScaler. Enjoy sharper visuals and brighter colors on a screen that makes details pop. Track, learn, thrive. Start your day in the know using Energy Score with Galaxy AI. Then go deeper and discover insights for how to improve it on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Why?